All right, for questions 12 to 23, refer to the box and whisker graph below that compare homework time per night with the TV time per night for the same group of sophomores. Okay, we're talking about the same students. Are they interviewing more students? No. Are they interviewing less students? No. Same group. So this top part is going to be the exact same as we saw for questions 1 through 10 or 7 through 10. I was way off. So my maximum is still the same. You need to be writing this down. Quartile 3, median, quartile 1, and minimum. You're not spending this time talking just because you're done. The minimum. The minimum is 0 for this one. And what's 15? Quartile who? That's good, that's good. Oh, shoot. Another? No. What is 60? Good. The middle. What is 110?
Quartile 2.
I already did quartile 2. Remember, that's the median. And what's 225? The max. Always check to make sure that you're following the order as the leading one. Okay? What percent of sophomores watch TV for at least 15 minutes per night? So, I need to label my 25s. I forgot. Stay focused. I hear side conversations that aren't necessary. All right. At least 15 minutes means what? Hey, put that chair down and leave that other chair alone. I don't know why I'm having to have that conversation with you. Okay. My question was, what does at least 15 mean? I need to go to the mall with at least $15. Can I take $12 to the mall?
No.
Nope. Can I take $20 to the mall?
Yes.
Can I take $60 to the mall?
Yes.
Can I take 110?
Yes.
And can I take 225?
Yes.
So what does at least 15 mean?
More
than 15. 15 or more. So, what percent spends at least 15 minutes watching TV? Good. Why and how did you get that?
You have 3 numbers. You have 3/4 numbers.
Add up all the 3/4. Good. 75%. What is the third quartile for the TV time? Q3, 110. Excellent. 110 minutes. Is it more common for a sophomore at this high school to spend more than an hour on homework or more than an hour watching TV? Explain. How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
60. How many people spend an hour or more working on homework? No. Okay. Stop talking. How many students spend 60 minutes or more working on homework? 25%. An hour or more. How many students spend an hour or more watching TV? How many? Good. So is it more common for them to spend time doing homework for more than an hour, or more common for them to spend time watching TV for more than an hour? Why? Because it's bigger. Okay? These students are more likely to spend over an hour watching TV. That's 50% of them. Than doing homework. That's 25% of them. How do I compare 50% and 25%? You can subtract, or how else? Huh? How else can you compare them? What is the relationship between a quarter and 50 cents? Y'all wake up.
They're both in the forks.
Okay, and how else can they relate?
1/4, 2/4.
1/4 and 2/4, which means what? One is what the other?
One is greater.
Well, yes.
One is 1/4 greater than the other one.
Speak fractions, guys. One is half of the other.
1/2.
Thank you. You're late, but yes. Okay. Some sophomores didn't watch TV that month. I need to write true, false, or can't be determined. If you don't watch TV, how much time do you spend watching TV?
0.
0 minutes. Is 0 on my TV box and whisker plot?
Yes.
So is this true or false?
True.
True. The TV box and whisker graph contains more data than the homework graph. What does more data mean? Nope. Which means what? More data, more info means more what?
TV time.
Nope. More numbers means more what?
Homework.
Nope.
More work. More hours to do the thing.
Nope. More people. So, did they interview more people for TV? No. So is this true or false? 25% of the sophomores spend between 48 and 60 minutes per night on homework.
True.
Homework, 48 to 60, 25%.
True.
15% of the sophomores didn't watch TV that month.
It's 25%. No, it is true. Can't be.
You can't tell. I don't know who got what. I don't know how many students they said didn't watch TV. I know that at least one of them did, but I don't know how many were there to say 0 minutes. In general, these sophomores spend more time watching TV than doing homework. How can you tell?
50% to 25%.
You can just look at one number, not even the percents. You need to look at, nope. Well, 225 is the what? The maximum. The maximums are what you look at to compare that. The TV data is more varied than the homework data.
What do very know?
Varied means it has a wider range. So glad you asked that. And that is true. I don't know why I hear side conversations. The ratio of sophomores who spend more than 110 minutes per night watching TV to those who spend less is about 2 to 1. What percent spend 110 minutes per night or more than 110 minutes watching TV? 25%. And then those that don't, who spend less than that, what's less than 110? What percent is less than a 10? Or less than 110? No.
50.
Look at the box plot. If I have more than 110, here's 110 and more, that's 25. What is the percentage that is less?
75.
Thank you. All 3 quarters. So this is less, and this is more. 25 to 75. If I were to write that as a ratio and simplify it, would I get 2 to 1?
No.
What would I get?
1 to 2.
Not 1 to 2. 1 to 3. So is this true or false? No, you said 3 to 1. It's backwards. Order matters for this. False. 225 sophomores watch TV. Nope, they don't. What does that 225 mean?
The max of students.
Nope, what does that mean? The minutes. It tells you in the title. Twice as many sophomores watch TV for more than an hour than do homework for more than an hour. How many watch TV for more than an hour? How many? Go back to the TV, look at the hour, and how many are more than an hour? What percent?
50.
50. How many do homework for more than an hour? 25. Is that a twice relationship?
Yes.
No, it's not. 1 to 1 means they're the same. No. Okay, on your homework, you need to write these down. On question 5, you're only doing questions 5 through 8.
Okay.
A fitness center offers 2 different yoga classes. The attendance for each class is for 12 sessions. Why are y'all talking while I'm reading? You want to do your homework on your own? Without my help? The attendance for each class for 12 sessions is represented in the box plot. Who is greater or smaller is what they're looking for when they're asking about centers and ranges. For number 6, box plot of students' height. Whose range is bigger or smaller over here? Look at how long the whiskers are with the box. Who's longer and who's shorter? Less spread means that this is shorter. Less spread means that this is shorter. You need to determine and explain. Don't just put true or false here. A psychologist is studying how spending time outdoors affects people's moods. You need to talk about their maximums, minimums, and ranges. And then a psychologist over here is the same data. You need to label the box plots to answer these questions here.